Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to extract text from images on iPhone using live text. Now, first of all, what you need to do, you need to toggle on that live text feature. So go ahead to the settings, general, below you're going to find language and region, press it, scroll a bit down and turn on live text. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to copy text from a saved photo or screenshot. So let's take a screenshot for the sake of it, right? So let's go ahead and take a screenshot for my notes, right? Now go to your photos, right? And select your screenshot. All you gotta do is just hold the text, right? And you can go ahead and copy it live, right? In the pop-up menu. So hold again, pop-up menu will show up, hit copy. Go to any app like Notes or Messages and tap paste. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.